Hi guys, so today is day 1 in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. Well, actually technically we came here yesterday, but yesterday was kind of like a chill day because it was an overnight flight and we were really tired. But right now we're waiting to go on the train to get to see Christ the Redeemer, which is obviously a very big thing here because it's one of the 7 wonders of the world. Okay, so we are at Christ the Redeemer right now. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know where my dad is. We both went to the toilet and I don't know where he is. I'm hoping he's just up there where Christ the Redeemer is, because I don't know where this guy is. I've been waiting for him outside the toilet for like 15 minutes. Guys, my dad is still nowhere to be found. I have no clue where this guy went. What the heck? I was looking for you everywhere. Inside the cathedral right now and it looks really cool. It's so cool. This is the cathedral from the inside. At the famous steps where Snoop Dogg recorded his music video. It's so busy here too. Okay guys, so we are right now at a buffet steakhouse restaurant and they've brought out loads of food for us to try. Pretty sure they're going to bring out steak soon. For now I've got some vegetables and rice. I'm excited to try the steak though. Okay, so we've got some chicken and some sausage right now. We're going to try, first vegetables. Good chicken.
Steak.
Yes.
The best.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, so now we've got the steak. This is the famous traditional steak. It's really good. Hey guys, today is day 2 in Brazil and we are right now in the Botanical Gardens. I've got my Brazil shirt on today, which is super cool, embracing the Brazil vibe. Yeah, we're in the Botanical Gardens right now. We're about to enter and we'll just be looking around, I guess. There's a lot of palm trees and everything, but right now we need to go buy the tickets at the ticket office. For my dad in the Botanical Gardens because I don't actually know where this guy went, which is not great. Over there taking pictures of himself.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my.
So update, I've still not found my dad. I don't know where he went, so I've literally just been exploring the gardens by myself. He doesn't have mobile data on his phone, so I don't know how he's going to contact me, and I don't know how I'm going to find him. Okay guys, so we are now going to an acai spot to try some acai for lunch. If you didn't know, acai actually originated from Brazil, and I didn't know that until I came here. I got coconut flakes, granola, peanut butter. Sorry about the background noise, I forgot my microphone. And then the acai, banana, strawberries. That is really, really good, guys. Okay, so we're on our way to the Tajukan Rainforest right now. We just got picked up by the tour guide. This is our tour bus. I really hope we see some animals like sloths or toucans. Guys, this is the trail right now. It's been difficult for me to film because it's kind of super wet and raining, and it's quite a difficult trail to be fair. Yeah, literally in the rainforest right now. Well, technically it's a jungle, not a rainforest.
Addicted to the high.
Guys, you can go. It has like 7 kilometers. It doesn't look like, but you can go.
But it hurts when the night is still. Star-crossed lovers are dim to lose.
Today is our last day in Rio de Janeiro. We went to this matcha place, and the matcha is really good. I got an extra shot of matcha with oat milk, and now we're just gonna be walking back to our hotel. This matcha is so good. Currently we're waiting for the wind conditions to improve to actually be able to fly, because right now the flag is red, which means it's too dangerous to fly. I don't know if we're even going to be able to fly at this point, but at least the view is cool. But I'll get back to you guys if we can fly. I really hope we can. Where is it? Oh my gosh! Right now, so I got a chicken breast, vegetables, rice, and some beans. Sorry, I don't have my microphone again. Put the beans on. There's like meat inside the beans. We just finished paragliding and it was amazing. I'll insert the clips of us paragliding in the vlog. It was so good, guys. Guys, we got dessert. I got this chocolate thing. My dad got this coconut tapioca one. Oh yeah, I know this is really good.